how much I did a podcast episode on this a while back that I think one of the biggest barriers for AI growth is going to be the electrical grid infrastructure that's required to run these systems. What's your thoughts on that?
Well, to be honest, I hope that there is some limitation, and it's probably true. We can't just we can't just software we can't just use software magic to build electrical power plants. But I also saw that it's very likely that in this decade we will have a global scale of fusion power, and that's gonna be there's no limits with energy then anymore. So